Hello friends, so this is the question I have. Question is like that. This is the link having 2 points B and C. Point B acceleration is given uh, 20 centimeter per second square. Angle is making 30 degree, and at angle 45 degree, 40 centimeter per second square below acceleration is given, and distance is given 65 centimeter. Okay, then what your equation you write? Equation you can write acceleration of C is equal to acceleration of B plus acceleration of C with respect to B, or you can write acceleration of B is equal to acceleration of C plus acceleration of B with respect to C. Not problem, you can write both the equation. So listen, I am assuming this x and y axis along x axis, and this is the y axis. Okay, along the x axis unit vector is I cap, and along the y axis unit vector is j cap. So okay, so I am resolving the velocity of acceleration of v in I cap and j cap. Okay, so this according to the, because this is the resultant acceleration of point B, so we can write you can write here 30 angle will be, so this will be 20 sin 30, and this will be 20 cos of 30. Okay, this will be minus j cap in direction. Okay, this, so you can also resolve this acceleration. Okay, so this will be 40 cos 45, or this will be 40 sin 45. Okay, and acceleration of C with respect to B, that means you have to fix the C and look at a B. Acceleration of C with respect to B, we have to fix the B and look at a C. So you have to fix the B. I am fixing the B, and you have to look at it C. So suppose angular acceleration of link BC with respect to B will be omega. I am assuming like that direction, and alpha will be like that. But if my suppose is wrong, then omega and alpha will be in quantity will be negative when after we are getting this answer. Okay, so here will be alpha r, real will be omega square r. So this is really the acceleration of C with respect to B. Okay, no problem, I think. Omega square r will be along the rod BC, and alpha r will be perpendicular to the rod BC, and from where it is coming, I have uploaded I have mentioned all these things in my previous video. You can watch it. So acceleration of C is equal to what? You can write acceleration of C. Acceleration of C is here. So 40 cos 45 minus I cap. So minus I cap plus vector. This is the vector C, vector acceleration of C. So vector A plus vector B is equal to vector C, vector addition law. Okay, so 40 sin 45, what will be? Minus j cap. So here will be the minus, and j cap is equal to acceleration of B is equal to 20 minus 20 sine 30 j cap, because in negative direction, so that is my minus is coming, and 20 cos 30 plus 20 cos of 30 plus I cap, okay. I have written acceleration of C, and what is the acceleration of C with respect to B? Plus acceleration of C with respect to B. Look at here, this is the acceleration of C. So what we can write in resolving component, alpha r minus j cap, so minus j cap omega square r minus I cap. So equate all these things. So equating the I coefficient of I component, what we will get? Minus 40 cos 45 is equal to, this is the I, this is the 20 cos of 30 I minus omega square r, because here minus. So this will be the, you can solve this, and r you have 65 centimeter. If you will solve, okay, I am solving in front of you. So 40 cos 45, sorry, cos 45 sin 45 you can write also, minus 20 cos of 30, sorry, this will be the plus, because this is the minus, this is minus, both will be the addition here. So 40 cos 45 into cos 45 plus 20 cos 30, okay, divided by 65, because minus will get cancelled. So divided by r is a 65 centimeter. So this is a 65, and we have to under root all these things. So you are getting 0.837 omega, you are getting 0.837, and omega is coming positive. That means your supposition is correct. So you have to suppose omega direction is correct. So you have to find again alpha. We have find omega. And I have to find the alpha. Okay. In starting of video, I didn't told you that what you have to find. So you have to find the omega, you have to find the alpha. I forgot that. So sorry for that. But you can. I think you have watched it in a thumbnails. I think what you have to find, that is okay. All right. So here again you have to go equate the coefficient of the J component. So what we can write here, look, 40 sin 45 is equal to J is here minus 20 sin 30 minus alpha r, okay. So minus will get cancelled, 40 sin 45 minus 20 sin 30 equal to alpha r. So look at here, 40 sin 45 minus 20 into sin 30, okay, divided by r, that means 65. So alpha you are getting 0.28, this will be the radian per second, and this will be the radian per second square. So all right, I think I founded all these things, I mean omega and alpha. So thanks for watching it, and please subscribe and share, and also like and press the bell button, because if I'm uploading the video, you will get the notification. So please subscribe and press the bell button. Thank you.